Sometimes you get up, sweetie.
Forgot to videotape it. Jillian's first oil change on her car. She'd say hi.
Good morning.
So, Jillian and Mom are going to do the oil change. I'm not supposed to interfere, except maybe give instructions. So, we got the oil already draining. As soon as that's drained, we're going to take the oil filter off.
We got the new one right here.
Got the new one ready. Got the oil ready. 5 quarts. And it's just a waiting game. How's the dripping coming? Are we done? Used oil filter. The oil filter is out. We put the plug back into the oil pan. We're putting in the new oil filter in the car. Got it?
Yeah.
Sometimes your best thing to do is stick your finger in there, because some of them are at an angle up or down, and you just gotta make sure when you put it in, the angle's gonna be the same.
It's hard to tell.
The city's working on the park.
I don't know if we can get it tight. It's hard to.
We're done. Like a real grease monkey. You know, that's what they call mechanics, as grease monkeys. Look at all the grease on Jillian's arm. She did 90% of this. We changed the oil, put in a new oil filter. We put in a new air filter. This car is ready to go. Just go on, look underneath, make sure there's no fluids dripping anywhere. We can go ahead and pull out that oil pan out very slowly, because if it starts splashing back and forth, it's going to spill.
There's some oil drip on the ground. Should
Yeah.
we wipe that up?
Yeah, whatever oil's on the ground, we'll wipe it down.
And where do we put the pan?
We're going to use the oil is going to go back into the blue can that the new oil came out of.
Okay.
But we'll do that in a minute. First, let's get your keys, get in the car, start it up. We want to make sure that no oil is going to come splashing out. Okay. Looking good.
Yay.
Congratulations on your first oil change. You need to get do you have a sticky note?
Huh?
You have a sticky note?
In my room.
Yeah. Can you get one? You're going to write the mileage that's on your odometer and add 5,000 to it, and that's when your next oil change is going to be.
Okay. Let me go.
And clip it on your windshield.
Okay.
Okay. We're just going to move that oil into that can.